Did he give you any clues? Any coordinates, anything?
Tired old mules. I got nothing for you, Cap. I got no coordinates, no clues, no strategies, no options, zero, zip, nada. No trust. Liar. Here, take this. You find him, you put that on. You hide. What's new with composting?
Interesting science.
I figured it out. By the way.
And, you know, just so we're talking about the same thing.
Time travel.
What?
I believe I remember telling Tony, alive and otherwise, that what we needed was a pseudo armor around the world. Remember that? Whether it impacted our precious freedom